In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop is stuck on the startup screen and you can't get past it. So what you can do to fix this is first disconnect any external devices from your Acer laptop. So if your laptop has any USB devices such as printers, keyboards or even a mouse, make sure to disconnect them and then see if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, what you can do is press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop to turn it off completely. After that, press the power button once again to turn it back on. Now as soon as you see the Acer logo, press the F2 key repeatedly to enter the BIOS settings. Now here you will need to click the F9 key to reset all the BIOS settings. Once you have done that, press F10 to save and exit. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to shut down your Acer laptop once again by pressing and holding the power button. Once the laptop is completely off, unplug everything including the charger this time. After unplugging everything, press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 seconds. On some Acer laptop, you should also see a pin hole at the bottom of the panel. You can also insert a pin in this hole to perform a hard reset. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your laptop's data. Once you have done that, simply plug the charger back in and then try to turn on your Acer laptop. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.